I think I built my other computer on the hardware too. We got Ryzen 7 3700X. We have Samsung. I know the 980 is out. Evo Plus 1TB. We have our RAM still in there. We get the gigantic Bequiet Dark Pro 4 cooler. We have a junk computer case. That's for the cooler as well. We have a couple different boards we can choose from in stock, and this is one of them. It still has a Prime P. I don't know what's a Prime P for sale. I think I'm not going to use it. I don't know. Not too many USBs on this. They're really slacking with the USB. So we have to take off these brackets and mount our cooler. CPU, NVMe, X570 with the fan. My RAM should fit. Let me go find my RAM. And we gotta get this going. We gotta do. The best thing is to build on a box with electrostatic bags. That's what we're doing. Tile floor. It's been about a year since I did this. And these brackets had to come off. Then take this off, NVMe. But let's work over here first and work our way down. Quick and dirty, Bequiet Dark Rock Pro cooler, dual fan, how to mount it, AMD. Not too many people have a video. Get the Intel kit. Don't use that. You gotta use AMD bag. AMD bag, brackets. Pop them over here like the directions say. Move your old ones. Stock back plate stays on. Crossbar holds the whole thing in. Going like that way, I believe. And that's pretty much it. Some people say like it's an involved install. Maybe they should go disassemble cars or something. A lot more complicated than this, dude. Seriously, dude. Alright, let's go get this thing apart. Spacers and stuff in here too. And we use those screws instead of these screws. Read RTFM. Don't read the Russian one because it's not the language I'm speaking. Directions are not really telling me, maybe they are, but basically the brackets go this way. So they look at the CPU in the middle, they look at it, and the bar goes across. If you put them around this way, not going to work. That's kind of straightforward. Spacers, big hole, small hole, big hole goes over it. There's O-rings too, but it doesn't say to use them. That's only for the Intel. There's O-rings in that bag. But for AMD, no. Okay, then we gotta put this thing over here. And screw it down. It's kind of a weird mounting system. I don't know. Let's go do the other side. Put the black screws in the bag. One on, dude. One on, dude. Let's go do the other one. Don't tighten the screws so tight, I guess, dude. You just look like I thought with this Dark Rock Pro. You have to center it correctly, or else this thing's not gonna match. Alright, like I thought, to make your life easier, being that these are slotted, your holes might not line up perfectly. So you have to loosen these two screws, those two screws, test the bracket with the two included mounting screws, and make sure you can tighten it with no interference. And then you can move these things around. Before I wasn't, that's good right there. Before I was too far out and the screw holes were blocking. So just keep that in mind. Test fit it with the crossbar, then tighten the 4 screws with the AMD, and should be good. Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, that should be good. Play around with it a little bit. Drop the CPU in. The thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't seem that the back, the screws go very far into the bracket. I don't know how many threads are on there, but it's really not much holding it. Should have gave you longer screws, but they didn't. I don't know. Interesting. Second thought, this is an old bracket off my AMD 3. There's plenty of room on those things because the screws are, you can go in there pretty deep. And think about the distance of the motherboard, you're good. CPU time, AMD lever, Ryzen, line dot, corner thing. Is that the corner one? Yeah, right there. Corner with corner over there. Boom. Oh my god, it went in nice and loose. Crank down the thing. Boom, locked. Put too much past, dude. That's gonna spread out. Okay. Remove the paper from the cooler. Remove it. We gotta mash it down. Wiper it up, dude. Yeah, I put the RAM in first because it probably is gonna have little interference issues. Alright, let's go throw this thing in now. See how close it is gonna be to our GPU. Dude, how do you get the RAM out, dude? It's like impossible. It's like impossible to get the RAM out, dude. Alright, the heatsink paste seems to be nice. No overflow. Possibly we just put just enough. I don't know. Less is best. And now let's go bolt it down. God damn, this thing is huge. God damn. Yeah. Tighten, it's kind of cool. Center fan has to be removed, and then you just kind of stick your screwdriver down the 2 holes and remove those plugs. Let's do it. Be like this, dude. Like that, dude. Like that, dude. Let's go do the other one, dude. Okay, that thing's almost in. CPU, we got 2 things over here. I'm just gonna use different ones from each one. I could tuck that wire back, I know. And yeah, what a big freaking cooler. That's a whole lot of weight on there. I don't know. We gotta put the center fan now with little clippy doos. It's gonna be kind of tricky too. Not very hard. I can't figure out why you get big clips and little clips when the little clips fit on the fan. I don't know why. They're 2 different, or are they? Yeah. Those are shallow, these are large. I'm using the shallow ones. And they clip right in just fine. I don't know why the large ones are there for. The bottom, as you see, is a little messed up. It's not in there all the way. I think I'm doing this right. I'm not quite sure. I built a new computer. Not very fun. Not very fun. New computer. Board's in. I gotta wire it all up. I don't know. Another nightmare I don't need. First boot. That seems to work. I didn't hook up my boot drive. Yeah. Damn.